All right, everybody. Welcome to Clark's Place. Today, happy day for my father. What does this say? $250 for this roll?
Yeah.
This has been kicked around in the garage for like, what, 3 or 4 years now?
At least.
Pops can't wait. Another thing, the more we put on this car, the more space we have. So today we're going to put underlayment in the whole car. And we got some nice rollers and some other tools, and we'll see how this goes. I don't know how it's going to go.
Yeah, I don't either.
We'll see. Should be fun.
Tape's nasty. Or a long strip or whatever.
What's your ideas now?
I don't know what you want to do as far as strips this way, or one long one.
We peel the backside off,
Yeah.
and it's sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky, all right.
Yeah. And then this stays foil on the top.
Yeah, on top.
Okay, so I think we'll probably do sections. We'll probably slice down and do pieces and piece them all in, and that's kind of my idea. What's your idea?
I should have a roller for that.
Yeah, we got rollers. We gonna be rolling. We be rolling. What? All right, Pops found our rollers. I think we have like 9 of those.
Yeah, you got 2
somewhere.
or 3 each time you get stuff.
I forget what we got them all free with, but we got them all free with
down
something.
in the cracks and everything. And
I'm gonna roll it in some cracks.
yep.
All right, let's see what happens. Time lapse time. Enjoy my most popular video ever. Putting underlayment in.
Roll
This should be so much fun. All right, there's the signature Pop and I put on all our cars. Yeah, cool. Okay, that's what she looked like. Got it all pretty much down, and I didn't try to be super neat. Pieced in a lot of the extra pieces that didn't fit perfect. I did some pretty big sheets to start, and then just, you can see it all piecemealed in, but I don't think it matters. It's underlayment. And now the thing, it doesn't sound like the door vibrating a bunch. It's all nice. So that's gonna be very cool. And I may trim out some more around the 4-speed there, depending on how it mounts on top. And then I will probably put more across the back and do the trunk. And I'm not sure about the package tray. The package tray may have insulation on the back of it. But I may do the insides of the doors, like put some backing here, because that really vibrates. But you can see 75 square feet. That's about 60 square feet, I would say. Used most of the roll. So I'm gonna do the ceiling. And I'm gonna buy some Dynamat because that's what the stuff is made for. And this is some cheap stuff that we got at Moultrie, but I think it's going to do a great job. So thanks for watching the most interesting video on Clark's Place. I'm sure you were enthused. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Thank you, and we'll see you next video.